Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Yes. So, good morning, Mary. Yes, Belgium lost yesterday, and I'm very sad about it. So, good morning, George. Good morning, Stephen. Have you enjoyed yesterday's football match, guys? Very sad about Belgium. Unfortunately, didn't make it. And today we have another big game, Croatia versus England, with the British to be the favorite for tonight. Yesterday the favorites prevailed. It was France and it won 1-0. Today is Croatia versus UK versus England. Just to make a small analysis on the match, none of the opponents play football actually, with the exception of Croatia versus Argentina, where they played fantastic football. Unfortunately, the British has not convinced me yet, but as you can see, the team that actually wins the cup, it's 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. So they always find a way to win the matches. So Germany, just to remind you, Elif is out of the World Cup a long time ago now. I think they are at home sleeping. So Germany is not even in the World Cup. So what we have today for you guys? Today we have important news announcements, and we'll start with this announcement, just a brief review of what we are expecting today. At 12:30, we have some news about producer price index, ex-food and energy from the US markets, and the big announcements come at 2 o'clock. Hello, George. Yes, we did miss you. So the big announcements are coming at 2 p.m. UTC time, where we expect an increase in the interest rates of the Canadian dollar an increase of 25 basis points from 1.25 to 1.50. And of course, at 2:30 we have crude oil stocks change, crude oil inventories. We are expecting a huge decline on the stocks. So this means fundamentally that the supply will increase, so expect a decrease on the oil price. Then we have the BOC press conference at 3:15, and that's all we have for the day. So the big announcements are it's okay, Patrick, no worries. No worries. As soon as England doesn't get the World Cup, no worries. So we have the press conference of Canada at 3:15, and at 2 o'clock UTC time, we have the BOC rate statement. So let's go to our charts. Hello, Dean, and welcome. How are you guys today? Are you ready to make some money today, guys? Of course you are ready to make some money. All right, and let's jump straight into the action. Okay, I have identified here some support and resistance levels, and I see that the trend line of euro dollar is holding. So what I will do, I will buy now market price euro dollar, guys. So we just bought euro dollar, long euro USD. Our stop loss will be at 117.10, and our TP will be at 117.60. That's our first trade for the day. So stop loss 117.10 and take profit 117.60. We believe that the euro dollar will continue its uptrend. Euro yen has not convinced me yet that it will fall or rise. So for the moment we are neutral on euro yen. Hello Jake, welcome to our trading room. How are you today, my friend? Is everything okay? So dollar CHF, it looks very bearish, guys. So what I will do, I will short dollar CHF. So I'm shorting dollar CHF. It looks really bearish. Now our stop loss, let me see. The stop loss for this trade will be 99.30. So that's my stop loss for this trade. And I would like to leave my take profit open for this trade. Guys, I will not place a take profit on this trade. I want to leave it open. So we have just shorted USD CHF at 0.9911 approximately, with a stop loss of 99.30, and we leave TP open. Hello James, welcome. So dollar CAD looks, it has room to move down, guys, so I will short it today. So I'm shorting as well dollar CAD. So we just shorted USD CAD with a stop loss 131.55 and take profit at 131, guys. So the stop loss is 131.55 and the take profit is the round number of 131. So anyone followed us on these trades for the moment? Aussie dollar is a very interesting pair. I will go long. It has broken the trend line. So I'm going long Aussie dollar, and I would place, let me write it down in the forum, long Aussie dollar, stop loss, nice to hear that, 73.99, and take profit, I will go for 74.45, guys. This is the last trade, 73.99 is my take, is my stop loss, and 74.45 is my take profit. Pound dollar, I would love to go long, but unfortunately the risk reward ratios do not allow us to do that. So we have placed 4 trades for the moment. We have placed a long position on euro dollar. We have placed euro yen. Let me see euro yen. Okay, why not? Let's try it, guys. Okay, I will go long euro yen, an additional position. It seems okay. Long euro yen, my stop loss 130.05, and my TP I will go for 130.70. Guys, that's the last trade we have placed together. So 130.05 and 130.70 for our euro yen pair. So just to sum up what we have done this morning, we have entered long positions on euro dollar, we have entered long positions on euro yen. Dollar yen, it still needs to develop a bit to decide what to do. Dollar CHF, we have entered short positions, guys, and we have left our take profit open. Dollar CAD, we have entered again short positions. I'm expecting a huge drop, of course, with the interest rates hike. It seems that the 131.45 resistance level holds, so that's why I have shorted it. I have also entered a long position on Aussie dollar because I saw a penetration of this trend line to the upside a few minutes ago, so I believe that it will continue its rise. And pound dollar, we haven't touched it yet. We will see and decide what we will do with it. So for the moment, we have 5 positions opened. Just a quick reminder for those of you who have just joined us that the most important announcements for today are at 2 o'clock. We have we expect for the Canadian dollar that the Bank of Canada will increase the interest rates. Kalimera, Richard. Nice to have Greek words here. Kalimera. So we are expecting an interest rate increase from the Bank of Canada of 25 basis points, from 1.25 to 1.50. Also, we have crude oil inventories. We expect a big drop in the inventories, a decrease of almost 4.5 million barrels. And these are the major announcements we are expecting today. In the meantime, we have also some news, minor news at 12:30 UTC time regarding the United States dollar, like producer price index, ex food and energy year on year. So you are asking me about Bitcoin. let me see what is the price for Bitcoin is 6,330. Guys, Bitcoin, it seems that it will vary from 6,000 to 6,500 is any side breakout. So basically we are not touching it for the moment. I'm not touching it at least. I have my pairs here. I like them a lot, so why bother to trade Bitcoin for the moment? If I see something interesting on Bitcoin forming out, we will inform you accordingly. Now, how many of you have watched the football match yesterday? Okay, Richard, everyone. Okay, how many of you are sad today? And so, how many of you are glad today? Okay, so everybody was supporting Belgium, I think, right? Okay, guys. France. Okay, guys. Okay. All right. So, France. Everybody is France. Jeff, you support England. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Yes, Patrick, I remember you have told me that. Unfortunately, Belgium didn't manage to get through. We will see about Croatia. Of course, I'm supporting Croatia tonight. Of course, we will see what will happen. Okay, guys, that's all we have for the moment. For Forex, we will see how our trades are developing and we will update you accordingly. So I'm transferring you now to Elif. I see that you have placed some trades and there you go, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to our trading session on this Wednesday morning. So we all had yesterday evening a very nice hello Richard, long time no see. Hello Jeff, where is Dean and Ellen? Hello guys. I see for tonight you are supporting Croatia. Also me myself, I'm supporting tonight Croatia, but I still believe the World Cup belongs to the Germans. Okay, so I opened a DAX position. I bought it at 12,455 and it opened with a 1% drop this morning on a very sharp big gap because of the tension. It's back. The tension, the trade tension is back. As first companies started already to increase their prices because of the tolls on European products and Chinese products, and this affects kind of a reaction here, and we went short on DAX. So I see, guys, you want to trade oil and Brent oil. Let's have a look what's going on over there. Brent oil, you are talking about Brent oil. Ooh, this is very nice, guys. Yes, this is very nice. Let me see. I'm expecting here on the 1 minute chart, I see a pullback and there is it. Let's get a bit better price and I will short it as well. Let's see. Yes, I'm shorting it right now. I'm shorting Brent oil. I just shorted Brent oil, guys. I went short on Brent oil. Wonderful, wonderful. And I want my take profit on 76.735. And my stop loss I will put on 78.730. So I just shorted Brent oil. Thank you for the hint. Thank you for the hint. We are short on Brent oil. Let me write it on Brent oil short. We entered at 77.397. Mary, I'm not shorting US oil because we are expecting oil inventories today. And that's why I'm not expecting huge movements until the oil inventories. That's why I'm not shorting oil. This afternoon we have some news. Let me write it down. And that's why I didn't short yet oil, because for making money on oil we need big movements, and big movements before the oil inventories are not so given. That's why. So our DAX position started to give us some profits. Let's have a look on DAX. Yeah, there is still some space to go. Italy 40, I would like to trade Italy 40, but I don't see a nice entry point yet on Italy 40. That's why I will leave it by side and see how it develops and enter accordingly. So USA 500. Let's see if we see any nice moment here. It's still no clear trend. It had a downtrend and then it went up, but I don't see the possibility to go either way right now. Okay, USA 100. I see it might be an uptrend, but it will get stuck for a while here on the Bollinger Band. And once it breaks through, I will open a position. Right now, it's still, we have to wait a bit. Also, with Dow Jones, I don't see a huge movement. I checked the earning releases today. There are several earning releases, but no major ones from the States. The biggest earning release this week we are expecting in 2 days, JP Morgan, and it's a before market opens earning release, which means the release will be before the American market opens. So you see it, you see the results, and then the market opens, and accordingly the market might drop or increase. You can read on the release basically how the market will react, and that's why I like before market openings releases, and JP Morgan is the number one release, and so we will trade Dow Jones definitely on the opening in 2 days, so on the 13th. Let's have a look at gold. Yesterday we made some money on gold and silver. Guys, I will go long on gold. I'm going long on gold because I see a very nice uptrend building up, and that's why I will go long on gold. Here we go. I see that, I mean, here you see this is a uptrend building up. There is still some air until the next resistance level. So I went long on gold. Let me see where we can put our take profit and our stop loss. I'm expecting a profit, the market to move at least until 1,254 no, 54. So where is it? 1,254.15, and my stop loss should be below 1,249.50. Not 50 is good. So there we go. Hello, Jake. Welcome to our nice community here. We are right now trading on DAX, trading on Brent oil, and we just opened a position on gold, and we are aiming a profit on gold of $630. I'm a bit cold, so there we go. Our DAX position is making money. Our Brent oil position started to move in our favor. Wow. That's so nice, guys. So look at this. Wow. Look at these guys. Nice, nice, nice. How about DAX? DAX is giving us right now $100. Yeah, we will get there very soon. And I might even increase my take profit a bit more down. Let me see here. I don't want to hit so fast. Yes, okay. Let's see. It's our first step, our first profiting position today, and let's see. It will be nice. What is Italy 40 doing? I would like to trade also Italy 40. Guys, I will short Italy 40. I will short Italy 40. Okay, it's 15 minutes and 15 minutes. Yes, guys, I'm shorting Italy 40 right now. Ching ching, our first position just closed. DAX, we got our take profit hit $318 on DAX, guys. Our first position for today is $318. So let me see with Italy 40. I will sell also Italy 40. I just sold Italy 40. Our first position for today on DAX, and we will get more. Let me put some limits on Italy 40. Italy 40, I'm expecting to go until 21,000. Until 21,000. 656, and my stop loss I will put at 21,794. There we go. Italy 40, we have currently open one Brent oil position, one gold position, and one Italy 40 position. Let's see what's wrong with gold. Our gold position, we are long on gold. it as a small pullback, but as you can see it wonderful on the pattern. We are looking right now on the 5 minutes chart on gold, and it's crystal clear. We have an uptrend. The market moves a bit against you. It's pulling back, and then the uptrend continues and reaches higher level than a previous downtrend, and then it goes again down as we have right now. It goes down. It will not go below this level over here. It's at 1252.25. It will not go below. If it goes below, we have to check if we should hedge this position. And then it goes again the upwards trend. So let's see if it breaks below 1252.25. We will hedge this position. If not, we might increase our exposure. We might increase our exposure to get also the profit out of this movement here. So I see that Kyriakos is put some positions. Let me pass to Kyriakos, and then I will be back here with you guys. Kyriakos, please.
Thank you very much, Elif. Okay, guys, let me share also my screen. So basically, the latest position I have entered is I have entered long positions on dollar yen, stop loss 110.90, and my take profit is 111.30. Patrick, you got a margin call. Why is that? Watch out your leverage, my friend. Okay, guys, so far, all our positions are losing. You're a gambler, huh? All right. So all the positions are losing, guys. You can see that our unrealized losses exceed $1,000. All of them, every single trade is losing money, guys. However, we keep our patience and we trade normally. So Aussie dollar is declining a bit. Now is a crucial level for Aussie dollar. We need a retest of this trend line. I believe that it will hold eventually and start to recover. Our stop loss is a bit lower of the lows of the day. If we see new lows, we will close it. Euro dollar, nothing worrying about, is still within these two converging trend lines. The one from yesterday's lows and the one from opening highs today. So it's still within a support zone. We will see how it will react. Euro yen is the same, is still within the support zone of these trend lines. So nothing to worry about despite the losing position. Dollar yen is consolidating, guys, and I see here a nice flag, bullish flag formation. We are aiming for an upside breakout and retesting yesterday's highs here. That's what I'm expecting at least. Dollar CHF retraced a bit, is struggling around this support line, but we believe that it will break it, and it is the only trade that we have an open take profit for that. Dollar CAD is still below this resistance line, and if it keeps below this resistance line, I'm not worried about it at all. Aussie dollar, okay, we said that is reacting, and we have also entered short positions on pound dollar. Guys, it seems that this resistance level here, we will see if it holds. Anyway, we placed our stop loss above yesterday's highs. As you can see, the whole day yesterday, pound dollar traded within a narrow trading range, as you can see, from 133 to 132.20. And the reason I have gone short is because if I short here, my reward to risk ratio is okay, so most probably might test the upper bar and then fall again. So continue to trade with this very narrow trading range. So for the moment, we have 6 trades open. Euro dollar, we have opened a long position. Long euro yen, we have entered long positions also on dollar yen. We have shorted dollar CHF with an open profit. We have also shorted dollar CAD since it holds below yesterday's highs and the number of 131.45. And this trend line was penetrated upwards on the 15-minute chart on Aussie dollar. That's why I have entered long positions, and my stop loss is below today's lows, guys. If the lows are broken, then most probably we'll hit stop loss for this trade. So these are the 7 trades we have currently opened. We will monitor them, watch them. For the moment, Allen, no money. For the moment, we are losing $1,185. Okay, we will see how it develops. Don't expect to push the button and everything to be in green. All right, exactly. For the moment, we have 100% failure rate, not success. All right. Your account manager told you you need to go to the next program. Okay, what are you waiting for, Patrick? Go for it. Go for it. It's a very good. Alan says don't do it. Why, Alan, you are discouraging your colleague? What's the reason for that? He already bought 5 packages. It depends which packages he bought. If the account manager told him that he needs to progress, he has to progress. If you are not doing well, Patrick, it means that what you read is not understandable. So why don't you arrange a one-to-one session with me or with Elif to explain you some things? Perhaps we are able to assist you understand and perceive things better than just read them from the books, to see them how we practically apply all these things. So it's another thing to read them from the books, and another thing to see them practically happening in the markets. No, the trading room has nothing to do with one-to-one sessions. The trading room, we are here, we are discussing, we are pushing the buttons, we are making some trades. Of course, we try to be profitable, but has nothing absolutely to do with one-to-one sessions, guys. Not even close. Okay, so here we are a community. You just join us. We are exchanging some thoughts. We are just pushing some buttons. It's another thing. The one-to-one session is completely different. Losing. I'm losing all the time, Alan, in the trading room, for example. On the one-to-one session, however, is different. Okay, so I don't do it on purpose, of course, but as you can understand, we have limited time in the live trading rooms and we need to trade. Okay, so it's another thing, the trading room, and it's another thing to one-to-one session. The one-to-one session focuses on solving the problems and the doubts and the things that are not clear for our students. So if you don't know, for example, what is a failure swing and how you spot a failure swing, this is a one-to-one session part, okay? So I'm not going to sit in front of the trading room, in front of everyone. It's not fair for those who have paid, and it's not fair for those who have paid less. So I'm not going to sit here and show you how to trade live a failure swing. So that's one-to-one session. It has nothing to do with the trading room. It has nothing to do with the trading performance of the trading room. So you understand now the difference between one-to-one sessions and LTR, live trading rooms. Two completely different things to do. Okay, is it clear? Alan? Excellent, excellent. So for the moment, we are down $1,300, guys. In this morning trading session, we are keeping our position. If we lose, we lose. If we win, that's even better, guys. So if you want to follow us on any trade, I repeat that if you see a minus sign there, it means that you will get the trade at a much better price than what we did. If you see a plus sign there, it means that if you follow us on that trade, you will get a much worse price than what we did. All right. So for the moment, let me see, euro dollar is still within these two trend lines. So I'm not worrying about euro dollar. Dollar yen hasn't moved. Dollar CAD is going a bit up, approaching our resistance level. We will see how it goes. Okay, Aussie dollar is dangerous now, guys. Since it has closed below the trend line, it's trying to close below the trend line. If I see a close below the lows, most probably we will hit a stop loss. Of course, we need to wait. We don't lose our patience. We are risking $636 on this trade. We keep the stop loss as it is, and if it is hit, I will update you accordingly. So Elif, how are the indices trading doing? All right, I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Hey guys, I just wanted to add something also about our courses which we offer at Trademy, Trademy.com. It's not all about the packages and the tests and the live trading room. The biggest advantage for me is also the possibility of having a funded account, guys, a funded account. And anything you trade or anything you learn during the packages, you can apply on the funded account. And this is for me very, very important. And why not to use it? I mean, you get the profits out of the funded account. So about Ching Ching, yeah, our Brent oil position is developing really well. We sold Brent oil, and as you see, it's developing well. We were making at some point around $200 on it. Ellen is saying, I want to be rich. Well, what shall I tell you? Yeah, it's behaving quite in our favor, and it's going in our direction, and I'm very satisfied with it. Gold, as I said, we are looking at gold. And as I told you, we have upwards trend, and then we have a short pullback, and then it continues going up, and this is what is happening right now. And as I told you, I will check what's happening here at this level. It's a support level right now. It hits all the time. It was hitting here, here, here. So, and I'm thinking, according to my technical analysis, I might hedge, or I might increase my exposure over here. So so I see Alan was called by a broker offering him insured trades. Okay, yeah. Well, Ellen, I have to tell you, I'm wondering how these people got your contact details. Most probably you showed anywhere interest. If not, if you don't remember showing interest, just be aware that since May we have this new regulation in the European Union, GDPR. So if you are bothered from these calls, just tell them and they have to stop calling you. Don't worry about it. Trademy, no, we are not giving any cold calls. As I said, I mean, you are part of our community. You come to us to learn about trading, what trading is, how the information you have is implemented while trading, and then also you have this funded account where you have this funded account, and on the funded account you can implement this knowledge. So well, George, George is saying he got called several times and he changed his phone number 3 times last year, and his wife is thinking that he's a dealer. Well, George, as long as she's not thinking that you are betraying her, I think it's okay, right? So, yes, guys, we have a look on gold. We might increase our exposure soon. I see. We might increase soon our exposure and go again long. Let's wait a bit more. What I'm waiting for is that my lower Bollinger Band is hit and I have a cross in the underpriced area of my stochastic, and then I will go long again and increase my exposure. Also here, nice. Guys, but this can take a bit time. Shall we hedge and get at least a bit money? What do you think, guys? Shall we hedge? We are right now long on gold, and I'm thinking to short gold to hedge. What do you think, guys? Let me see the 5 minutes chart. Yes, guys, I will hedge. I'm hedging right now gold. I just hedged gold, so I have a buy position. And no, Joanna. Hey, Joanna, welcome. Hedging, yes, it's difficult to exit. You have to be a master. You have to be a master of the markets and to be able to hedge. And no, I'm not chasing the market. I'm just reacting. So Adrian is asking what is hedging. If you check my open positions right now on gold, I have 10 lots of buy position and 10 lots of sell position. So with a difference of $1,700, I think. No, Ellen, it's not that I'm doubling up my losing position. It's just that I'm opening the opposite position. And why I'm doing that is basically I estimate that the price might move further down. And while it's moving further down, I will get my profits from my sell position. And once I see that the reversal has started, I will close this position. And it might take even 2 days, maybe 1 hour until I close this position. And it might be a small profit. It's just to protect and get the profit out of this movement. And then when the market moves again upwards, I might increase my exposure. This is what I do. It's a bit risky, yes, and you have to be very cold-blooded to do so. I did it a few times in the last few weeks, and every time I got out with a small profit of around $1,000. I'm not afraid of hedging, let's say it like that, but hedging is not for somebody who's just started training. You have to be really cold-blooded, and you need to be cold-blooded, and you have to understand the market movements very well. Yes, Joanna, I did it with Italy 40. I did it also with gold. And it's quite good. It's quite good. I like it. But as I said, you have to, it it has some dangers. You have to be prepared for that, and also you have to consider your account balance. If your account balance is low, hedging is not as easy as you think. So I hedged on gold. I like it. We have one small profit on DAX this morning. No losses until now, which is good. Italy 40, we have a position open, a sell position on Italy 40. Let's check it out how it develops. We are short on Italy 40. Not big movement. The biggest movement was in the morning. Brent oil is interesting. It's interesting. We are short on Brent oil. If you guys want to follow me, you are going to get a better price now. If you want to enter the Brent oil position, and we have two positions on gold. We are hedged on gold. So over there, I'm quite okay. It's not a problem. So Joanna is telling me just stick in one direction all the time. No, Joanna, I don't. I need to hedge sometimes. I want to hedge sometimes. I like it. I really like it. George, don't believe that gold will go up today. Elif, what do you think? Little bit worried about it. So, look, George, let's have a look on gold together and I will explain you. We are now on the 15 minutes chart. If you see, let's go on a one, how small this movement is. It's really small. And this kind of upwards movements, they are easy to make. No problem. And if you check a 1 day movement and you see on my take profits and stop loss that this kind of movement, this range of movement is easily possible during one trading day. You see, and with this tension regarding China, gold is a safe haven. I'm sure it will make a rally up at some point. So I'm not worried, not at all. I'm not worried at all. Ellen is asking about IBEX, Spain 35. On trade FW currently we don't have IBEX available for trading. That's why I'm not I don't have it. I'm not trading it, but in general I like to trade IBEX. It's also one of my favorite indices. Yeah, Joanna, it's also I like also IBEX quite a lot. It's really nice to trade. Let's go to France 40. France 40 has the same movement as all European indices this morning. You see, we have a small movement and then it gets stuck and don't move. DAX, the same. The biggest movement in this morning was already made. Now we are waiting for the next big movement to get some money in. Yeah. Okay. USA 500. We said earlier today that we might trade on it. They don't really moved yet to open a nice trade. And today we have the oil inventories later afternoon, so I'm expecting some movements during the oil inventories. Let's have a look on silver. What is happening on silver? Guys, I think I will short silver as well. Yes, I'm considering. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. I'm shorting silver, guys. I just shorted silver. So I shorted right now silver. What you mean, Joanna? Silver is quite $15 US. On silver, the importance is not. Yeah. My take profit on silver, I will put it at 15.905, and my stop loss I will put at 16.25. There we go. There we go. There we go. And now this is the normal price range of silver. It's sold at, it's traded at around $15, and we made few $100 the last 2 days on silver, and I really like it. I really like it. It's an interesting asset. So we shorted silver at 15,972. Our stop loss is at 16.5, and our take profit is at 15.95. There we go. There we go. So we have right now one position open on Italy 40, one on Brent oil, one on silver, and two on gold. And we closed one position of DAX this morning. Now the movement is a bit out. Let me see, it will move. In the afternoon, we will get again a very sharp movement, and it will be interesting. So, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes, guys. Now, our losing strike for the moment, unfortunately, continues. As you can see, we have unrealized losses of more than $2,000, and the majority of our trades is close to hit stop loss. Very bad day this morning. Very, 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 very bad day for us here. So it seems that all of our positions, with the exception of pound dollar and dollar yen, will hit stop loss. Aussie dollar is almost there to hit our stop loss. The euro dollar, guys, I'm glad about you, Patrick. The euro dollar has broken the trend line, unfortunately, and is now around our support level and very close to our stop loss levels, guys. So it's not a good day this morning for us. Euro yen, same story, is breaking now the trend line. It has tested our stop loss one time. We will see what happens. Most probably we will hit the stop loss, guys. Dollar yen is doing fine for the moment and is one of the two trades that are doing fine. Dollar CHF, we have the so-called intraday trend reversal. It was going down, guys. I shorted it here and then it started to go up. We have this resistance here, of course, protecting our stop loss, but for the moment is not looking good. Short dollar CHF again. You mean, Alan? Basically, I don't do that. If I have a losing trade, I let it close and then I never build positions on losing trades. So I will wait for it to close and then decide what I will do. Dollar CAD, it doesn't look good either. It has broken our resistance level here. Now it has absolutely nothing to prevent it to go and hit our stop loss. However, I will allow it at least 30 more minutes to see if I find a top here, if a top is formed, and then I will react accordingly. Aussie dollar, guys, is now hitting our stop loss just half a pip away. I don't believe we will be lucky enough to avoid that. And Aussie dollar just hit stop loss, guys, and it's $636. So one of our trades just closed with a stop loss. We are in the wrong side of the market, guys. It's obvious, and that's why I'm giving up all the trades. I don't want to wait for the stop losses to be hit. Okay, just cut the losses as soon as you can. So I have just cut all the losing positions. I was in the wrong side of the market. It's good to accept it. It's good to understand it on time and avoid huge losses. As you can see, currently we are down $3,134 realized losing positions. So not a good day for us, not a good starting day for us. We are down around $3,000 and we are only left with two positions, pound dollar and dollar yen, and we will keep these positions and see how they develop. Now, just for you to know that if we hit take profit on pound dollar, that's almost $1,300, and if we hit take profit on dollar yen, that's another $700, so we will cover more than half of our losses. So the trading session in the morning it didn't have a good ending for us. We lost around $3,100. It happens, so we will come back in the afternoon and we will try to recover some of our losses, of course. Okay, Alan. Yes, ouch. That was a big losing day for me, actually. It's nice to see that some of you have actually made money on other instruments. It happens, guys. It's part of the game. The thing is that you accept your losses and you move on. Don't let your losses take you down, guys. And you need to get used to this type of days. I'm sure you will have plenty of them throughout your trading career. So that's all we have for the moment. We are keeping these two positions and see how they go. And when we come back in the afternoon, hopefully we will make some money, guys, for you in the live trading room today. As I said before, the live trading room demonstration has nothing to do regarding quality and success rate with one-to-one sessions. In the one-to-one sessions, it's just you and us asking questions, explaining things, sometimes trading things. It has nothing to do with the LTR demonstration you are watching right now. And I want to emphasize on that. And if you have any questions regarding your strategy, if you want to discuss a particular pair to trade in order to take a trading decision based on a technical analysis concept, feel free to arrange a one-to-one session, and all the one-to-one sessions can be arranged through your account manager at trademy.com, and I just provided our site. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. Nothing more to say. As I will repeat, it was not a good day for us. We didn't start it well today, but we will see how the day develops at the end. We haven't finished yet. The second half is coming. So we believe in to reverse things in the second half. So Kyriakos Forex is 0-1 for halftime. Let's see if we will reverse things. All right. Thank you very much from me. I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Hey guys. So on the indices, the situation is okay. We don't have any losses yet. We closed our position on DAX. We have 3 positions running, basically 4 positions. We have an Italy 40 position, which doesn't really develop yet in our favor, but you know, Italy 40, it's a quite volatile asset, and I'm aiming a quite sharp move soon down and get our profits in. We have a Brent oil position. It is currently one of my favorite positions. It will drop down. We just opened the silver position. Also, the silver position is moving slowly in our favor. Then we have a hedged position on gold here. I will be on top of it and inform you guys when I enter or when I close a position, close the position and open eventually a second one, it's I will be on top of it. So this is here on my side going on, and I will be on here and explain you what I'm doing, guys. So latest by 1 o'clock UTC time, we will be here meeting you. If you are wondering how I will react with the gold hedging position, stay online, and if there is any changes, I will let you know and write it down on chat as well. So from my side, it's also done. I don't have anything to add. It was I can't say a wonderful morning as it was yesterday, for example, where we made in the morning session $1,900. But it's an okay session, okay. And I will see you guys latest by. I see some movement on gold, guys. I see some movement on gold. Let's see. Maybe we. Okay. Silver is giving us money. Gold is giving us money right now. But okay. I will update you how I react and what I do, and we see and we talk later on, guys. So talk to you later on. Have a nice afternoon. I will update you on chat, on Twitter, on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I will talk to you later on. Bye, guys.
So hello guys, I'm just closing my positions on pound dollar and dollar yen. As you can see, we are making $1,150, guys. So I'm closing the positions on pound dollar and dollar yen, $1,150, so that you have it on record, and we will continue with our afternoon session, guys. $1,150 profit on pound dollar and dollar yen. Thank you.
Hello guys, well, I'm here to inform you about some trades. So currently our gold trade is making $1,160. Our silver position is making $300, and our Brent oil is making $145. So I would start closing some of my positions to book some profits, guys. Brent oil, I will still leave. Brent oil, I will still leave. There is still some space to move in our favor. Silver. What about silver? Here it started to be a bit tight, the possibility of making extra profit. It might go, but I don't want to risk it. I want to close my position on silver with a profit of $300. I want to close it with $300 profit. Come on, and come on, 290 is also fair enough. 290. And we have a hedged position on gold. As you know, we have a hedged position on gold. And I started to get the signal to close our sell position. We are making right now $1,190 on our sell position, and there is still some movement to go down. 1,280. I just closed my position with $1,280 on gold. So currently we are making $1,880 on our trades. We broke our hedged position, and we are now looking for the possibility to go long eventually again on gold, because I believe that the market will move over here. As you know, normally I'm trading with 20 lots on gold, and today I just opened 10 lots, so I have the possibility eventually to open another 20 lots, another 10 lots for the movement here. Let's see how the market will go on. I will inform you shortly. I'm on top of the gold session on front of the screen and to check the movement. Once I get the signal, I will go long again on gold to get the move up here. We are already on long, and then I will go again long to get the move here to increase my profits, guys. This is the idea what we will do. And currently we closed already one position with a profit of $1,280. Very nice. And now we see how we will go on Brent oil. As I said, I still believe the market will move in my favor. Yes, I still believe that it will move in my favor, Brent oil. And me take the take profit. I will adjust the take profit a bit, because as you know, we still have the oil inventories pending today, and the pending oil inventories have an effect also somehow on the Brent oil. That's why I just want to avoid some negative movements over here. So I adjust my pending order here. Italy 40. Yes, now Italy 40 started to move again in our favor. This is what we want. So far we closed our Italy 40 our gold position. The market might move still a bit against us, but I'm expecting to open a buy position soon. So thank you for listening, and I will update you soon. Bye bye, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. We just hit our take profit on Brent oil. Ching ching, guys. We made $574 on Brent oil. Nice one. Nice one. We increased our profits for today to $2,462. Nice one. We just hit our take profit, and now we are looking for the next possible entry level for our gold position. We are looking. Once I get a signal, I will enter and not yet. Soon we will enter another gold position to be able to get the profits also from the movement up here, but still it's too early. It's too early. In this case, we might even leave a bit the market to move to get a very high percentage of confirmation, and then we might enter. So until now, it's okay, and we see how it works. So see you in a short while, guys. Thank you.
Okay, guys, we have just a quick update. We have just short the dollar cut at 131.55 with our take profit at 131.30 and our stop loss at 131.70. So we have just short the dollar cut. That's for your update, guys, those of you who wish to follow this trade. We will be back with you in approximately 2 hours from now. Thank you. Okay, guys, second position for this afternoon session, we have entered long positions on pound dollar at 1.32462. Our stop loss will be 132.31 and our take profit will be 132.71. That's the most recent trade we have placed this afternoon. So stop loss 132.31 and take profit 132.71. So we have entered long pound dollar at 132.46 and stop loss 132.31 and take profit 132.71. We are looking for short positions on dollar yen. The setup is yet to be made. We are looking for short positions on dollar CHF and short positions on euro yen, pound dollar. We have placed our trade. We are also going long now Aussie dollar. So buy. We have just entered long positions on Aussie USD. That's our third trade for this afternoon. Our stop loss will be at 73.83. This is our stop loss. And our take profit will be at 70, just a moment to do the calculations again, 73.98, 74.23, it will be our take, 74.23 is our take profit for Aussie dollars. So stop loss 73.83 and take profit 74.23. So that's the third trade we are placing this afternoon with you guys. Let us check also euro dollar. Okay, so we are looking for positions. No, euro dollar is not ready yet. We are looking for short positions also on dollar yen, short positions on dollar CHF, and maybe short positions on euro yen. So for the moment, we have shorted dollar CAD. We have entered long positions on pound dollar and long positions on Aussie dollar. Any moment now, we should have a short position set up on dollar yen and dollar CHF. Of course, as always, we will update you accordingly and let you know of the progress of our trades. Thank you very much. If I have anything else, I will let you know, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, we have entered two new trades. We have shorted dollar yen. So our stop loss for dollar yen will be 111.20. 111.20 will be 111.35. 111.35 is the stop loss for dollar yen, and the TP will be at the 110.94. So that's our first trade of the two new positions. 35, 110.94, and we have also shorted dollar CHF, and our stop loss will be 99.55, and our TP will be 99.15. So stop loss 99.55, and our TP will be 99.15. So currently we have 5 positions running, guys. Also we are looking for short positions on euro yen, and we will see about euro dollar. For the moment it doesn't look so attractive. Some of our trades are doing okay, some others are more or less where we have entered them. So for this afternoon session we have opened 5 positions. Most probably we will have a 6th position on euro yen. We will see how they develop and we will act accordingly, guys. Currently we are doing well, but it's too early to celebrate, guys. So let's see how we do. Also, I would like to inform you that the buy stop order of Elif on gold has been triggered. So now she has 2 positions clearly long, gold versus USD. We will be back with you live again in approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes. And we will update you, of course, again, we will go live and update you anytime we have any positions or any changes on the positions we currently have opened. Thank you very much for staying with us. Keep in touch, stay online. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are back together again. It seems that our dollar CAD first position is ready to hit our take profit level. We are just 7 pips away from our target price, and we believe that it was a good idea to share it with you guys. So we saw a sudden movement in the pairs, and suddenly our account turned into positive territory. Now we are up $800 approximately from all positions. Also, the majority of our orders was triggered, so We have 2 positions on dollar CAD short. We have 2 positions of 3 lots each on pound dollar long. And also we have 2 positions of 3 lots each on dollar CHF short. So our dollar CAD trade is very close to hit our take profit target in the $570. It's just a matter of minutes. There are important news announcements coming out in less than 10 minutes regarding the United States, the US dollar. We're waiting for the most important announcement is the producer price index, ex food and energy, year on year. The figure that is expected is 2.6, better than the previous forecast, at better than the previous month at 2.4. So expectations are talking about a figure around 2.6%. So we are live here with you guys. Please feel free to ask me any questions you want or any opinion regarding any positions you have taken. Remember that in some currency pairs like dollar CAD, pound dollar, and dollar CHF, we have 2 positions of 3 lots each for this afternoon session. And of course, the big announcements are coming at 5 o'clock with an expected increase in interest rates in the Canadian dollar of 25 basis points. Forecasts are talking about 1.5% versus 1.25, which are the current interest rates. So we are looking now on dollar CAD, hoping that our take profit will be triggered from our first position, from our first sell position. For the moment, we are doing well. A sudden move in the pairs reversed the picture of our account, and we will update you if we have any take profits hit. Okay, so that's all I wanted to mention. Big announcements are on the way. We still have 7 pips to hit our first take profit target on dollar CAD, and also we are a few pips away from triggering our second positions, buy stop order on Aussie dollar and sell stop order on dollar yen. The Aussie dollar is close to trigger our order. We have entered the buy stop there. It's just 2 pips away from the triggering price. And let's hope that everything will do well and reverse the picture of the morning, guys. So we keep our discipline, we keep our patience. Hello, Patrick. PPI today. Producers price index, exactly. That's what I was telling a few minutes before. Okay, let's see now our dollar CAD, if it will trigger our take profit price. Currently, we are up $1,000. We want to reverse the losses from the morning, definitely. And we will try and do that. This happens, guys. It's part of the game. And maybe we hit losses as well this afternoon, but we need to keep our discipline, keep our patience, never lose our temper, never get disappointed by losses, never get overexcited by profits. These are the characteristics of professional traders, and this is exactly what we are trying to do here, guys. Do I feel excited about profits? Of course, but I don't let my excitement get over my trading emotions. So, Patrick, we have PPI. Yes, you're absolutely right about that. Expected figures, actually, let me repeat them, is in 5-6 minutes, actually. Expected figures, 2.6% increase in the PPI versus the previous month actual figure of 2.4%. So it's indicating that deflationary pressure is actually building up in the US. And of course, the big news are on the Canadian dollar. Hopefully we hit at least the first position before the news, because honestly, I don't know how much volatility we will have on dollar CAD. At least we close the first position just to be on the safe side and let the second position run. So we are just 6 pips away from our triggering take profit level price. And I want to remind you that Leaf also opened a second position long on gold a few minutes ago. Just a quick update on gold trades of my colleague Elif. So we are watching dollar CAD, just a few pips away from our first take profit level. And we will see what happens, guys. Patrick, do you have any trades on Forex that you'd like to see, discuss together regarding the pairs I'm trading? Which pair have you traded, Patrick? Dollar CAD, short or long? Long. Okay. Quite reasonable. Since the morning, the trend was up, but now we see a reversal. Patrick, we see a reversal of the trend, plus the news do not support any long positions. 131.54 was your entry level on dollar CAD. Okay. At least you go with the trend. My trade is contrarian for today. It's a contrarian trend trade. And where is your target profit, Patrick? Okay, you use $1,000. And you have traded how many lots? 10 lots, as usual? 5 lots. All right. I hope you are right and I'm wrong. So at least you make this $1,000, man. I honestly hope you are right and I'm wrong. Doesn't matter. We want you to make money, guys. I hope you are right and I'm wrong on that. We will see. And the stop loss is also $1,000 or not. Patrick, if you don't have a stop loss on the account because we have news announcements coming on the way, my advice, we might experience some great volatility. My advice is to put stop loss at $1,000 and take profit at $1,000 because maybe the price goes up, hits your take profit and then falls like crazy. So it's a pity not to have the orders there ready to be triggered. Okay, so at least don't place the take profit, but at least the stop loss, put it, because if you try to close it manually, you don't know at what price the broker would close it, guys. Okay, so be careful on that because I expect some volatility in the markets, especially on dollar CAD. So my advice is at least for stop losses, put them. Because you will try and close your position and maybe you don't get the right price, or maybe it triggers your price at a much different price of what you want to be. So since you are risking $1,000, place a profit at $1,000, because if you see here, if you place your profit, it says there the number, Patrick. So if it says there 1,000, put it. Maybe it goes up, hits your take profit, and then boom, falls down. But it's up to you to decide. That's what I will do if I were you, actually. So that's all we have for the moment, guys. Some of the trades are doing well, some of the trades are not doing well, and fortunately the majority of our trades are in profit for the moment, at least. Let me go a quick round. I think we will have a triggering trade, a second position on Aussie dollar in a few minutes. 74.01 is our triggering price. It is now at 73.99, and dollar yen is very close to trigger our position. So let us go around. Pound dollar is started to go very nicely up. Come on, we want it to continue and go further up. Aussie dollar, it went up. It seems that it has formed a good base here, and we want to keep that base. We don't want to break below that base, definitely. And we want the price to reach approximately today's highs, a bit lower than today's highs, guys. You did with the stop loss, Patrick? Okay, man. So you have placed a stop loss. Okay, good for you. Well done. Well done. This shows a great character from an experienced trader. I mean, guys, stop loss is not a bad thing, okay? It protects your capital in case of extreme conditions. And that is exactly what we are experiencing now, because the news are out, guys, and you see some crazy volatility in the markets. Look at the numbers here, how they are going up and down. It's crazy. It's crazy. So let's see what the announcements are made of. We are waiting now for Forex Live to announce the figures. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com, guys, always. A bit of craziness in the market, actually. 0.3% at my screen. It's not updated yet. Let me refresh the page. Don't know. 0.3%. Okay, there we are. Yes. So better than expected. Inflation is created. Inflation usually depreciates the currency that is affected. So fundamentally, we are expecting a weakness of the US dollar. This inflationary pressure usually depreciates the currency that is involved. So let's see how the pairs are reacting to that. Dollar CAD, no expectations, no volatility at all. Pound dollar, nothing for the moment. Aussie dollar started to move up a bit, almost triggering our second position for the day. Okay, dollar yen is going up, guys. That's not good. Dollar CHF starts to fall. That's a good thing. Euro yen is climbing, guys. It's amazing. Euro yen is amazing. The same for euro dollar, guys. The same for euro USD. We missed euro USD. We should have entered long positions anyway. It's okay. Let's not be too disappointed about that. There is no reason, absolutely no reason. Okay, our buy stop order was just triggered on Aussie dollar at 74.01. So now we also have two positions long on Aussie dollar. Let's see, Aussie dollar is breaking up nicely. That's exactly what we want to happen. The only pair that is losing us money, guys, is dollar yen from our first position. The second position was not triggered yet. We need to see a close below this bottom, slightly below this bottom, the price, and it's not looking so good, the dollar yen. However, we have our stop losses there. We are protected. No worries about it. We are keeping the pending order, of course. And the main reason is because of the rally of euro yen, guys. Look at euro yen. Beautiful. Beautiful rally on euro yen. Dollar CAD is close, is very close to our take profit. Pound dollar reacted a bit to the upside, but now is retreating again. It has formed a nice base as well here at the lower band of the trading range since yesterday. Aussie dollar, same picture. Okay, Aussie dollar now is making its move as expected. We would like to see Aussie dollar going up. Okay, guys, most probably we'll hit stop loss on dollar yen. All right, 135. This is our stop loss for this trade, the one on the higher side. We still have a few more pips, 5 more pips for dollar yen to trigger our stop loss. Basically, if it makes new highs higher than yesterday, it will hit our stop loss. If it does that, well done, dollar yen. Good trade. So let's see what other pairs are doing. Dollar CHF is falling. Euro yen and euro dollar, we don't have a position for the moment. We don't have any positions. Dollar CHF is doing okay. Dollar yen is not. Aussie dollar is retreating a bit. Pound dollar is retreating. Come on, we wanted to hold this base here, guys. Don't fall back again. This candle, I believe, is the start of an upward move. This is the stop loss of our order that was triggered, 132.39. A few pips away from our stop loss. We need definitely a turnaround here. And our dollar CAD position is there where we left it, guys. So that's all we have for the moment. If we have any updates, we will update you accordingly. regarding any positions that have closed or stop loss or take profit. So for the moment, the news are out, some volatility was made, but we will come back to you in approximately 25 minutes for our afternoon live trading session. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, it seems that is now time for our dollar cut trade to hit take profit. So that's why we are back live, in order to see that our take profit level is at 130.130. And from this trade, we are aiming $570. Let's see if we get this trade triggered before the news, before the interest rates announcement. Currently, our trading account is $1,200 profit from all positions. And I repeat, we would like to turn around the situation from the morning. Okay, guys, get ready for a take profit on dollar cut. Now, price is nicely dropping now. Remember that we have two short positions of 3 lots each on dollar cut. Our first trade is very close to trigger our take profit at 130.130. This is the take profit of the first trade, and this is the take profit of the second trade. So just 4.5 pips away from the $571 profit. Let us see. Currently, we are up $1,600. It seems that we are doing okay in the afternoon for the moment. $1,700 up. Come on, dollar cut. Also, we have some other trades ready to hit take profit. Dollar CHF is ready to hit take profit as well. Our first short position. $1,900. $2,000 up for the moment. $2,300 up. $2,300 up. $2,400 up for the moment. $2,500 up for the moment. Let's see how we'll do this afternoon, guys. $2,500, $2,700. We have marginally hit our take profit, marginally hit it. Also, pound dollar is ready to hit take profit. Dollar CHF is ready to hit take profit. Let's see how we will do this afternoon, guys. Our dollar cut is ready to hit take profit. Just a few pips away. Come on, dollar cut. All of our trades are ready to hit take profit. We are approaching $3,000 profit in the afternoon. Let's see, guys. Let's start with dollar cut, and then I will jump. Wow. Green color, guys. Green color. Green color for the moment. Let's see, guys, how it will go. $2,700 for the moment. 2,780. Come on, guys. We want these trades. We want to recover the losses of the morning. A small pullback now. We are monitoring the dollar cut trade. Just 3 pips away from our first position to close. As soon as I close this position, I'm switching to dollar CHF. That's the next trade that will approach our take profit. So currently we are up $2,700. Come on. We want you to break. Two positions of dollar CHF are also ready to close with a profit, and also our pound dollar is ready to close with a profit. Of course, unless they close, guys, we cannot do anything. Close them. Okay, guys. I'm closing dollar cut, $470. I'm closing $500 on pound dollar.
Ching, ching.
And I'm closing $500 on dollar CHF. That's $1,500. And we still have these trades pending. and we have decreased our losses to just less than $500 this afternoon, guys.
Ching, ching.
And we are currently up $1,000. So what I will do, I'm keeping the rest of the positions, and I hope we do very, very well. So the other trade that is close to hit our take profit is dollar CHF. Our second position, okay, is getting there, guys. Also, we are ready to trigger our second position on dollar yen. Currently, we are up from the existing positions $1,300. Let's see how it goes, guys. Shall I close dollar CHF and get the $450? Okay, guys, let's take the $453 from dollar CHF. Okay, George, Patrick, I'm sorry, I didn't see your comments. Sorry, I was so absorbed by the trades and I closed it. My apologies on that. Currently, we have turned almost positive, guys. We are left with these trades. And what I will do, we have $900. We have $900 pending there. And let's see which pairs we have. We have dollar CAD, we have pound dollar, we have Aussie dollar, we have a second position to be triggered on dollar yen, dollar CHF we cleared. Okay, guys, we still have plenty of positions to make us money actually. So we will keep this, and we have almost turned our account positive this afternoon. Okay, guys, for me it's a big establishment to turn a minus $2,000 account almost to break even. It's not an easy thing to do, guys. I had a very bad day in the morning, but as you can see, we have managed to turn a $2,000 loss to break even, guys, and I'm satisfied. I'm very satisfied with that. So we are keeping these positions, and we will see you in approximately 10 minutes. Elif has an update. Okay, wait, we don't close. We could start now our live trading session. No?
Hey, guys. So, hello, George. Great saying of your grandma. Take it if somebody gives, leave it if somebody goes. It's a very good approach. Well, yes, our gold position, guys, as you remember, we had a gold position. We were hedged on gold. We had a gold position hedged. We closed one of these hedged position with a profit of $1,100, and then we put a buy limit, and indeed the market moved upwards. Our buy limit got triggered, and now we are open with 2 buy positions on gold, and it's moving in our favor. Yes, George, it's still minus 1K, but at some point it was down to minus 2K. It's better now, yes, and I believe the market will take now a very strong uptrend and give us the profits which we are looking forward. So over there we have this update, and it's good. We hit a stop loss on Italy 40. I think the last few days Italy 40 doesn't mean it very well with me, but it's okay. So I opened also a DAX position, a buy DAX position. I'm very positive with it. George is asking me, what do you think about long Nasdaq? Long Nasdaq sounds good, guys. Slow, because let me see here. We are expecting some news. We just had the news from the States, And then we have the crude oil inventories. Nasdaq. I can't confirm your long decision, George, right now. Let's wait another one candle. And then we can decide. Now in approximately 40 minutes, the American market will open and then we will see. The American market will open in a short while. Okay, the American market will open in a short while and then we might take Nasdaq 100, but right now I don't see a buy signal on Nasdaq. I don't see a sell signal. That's why I wouldn't go for it right now, George. But shortly we will trade it. Let's see oil. As you know, we are expecting today oil news. We had some nice movements today on oil, but we made also money on Brent oil. As you know, we went short and we exit on the correct time and we got the maximum profit out of Brent oil. So seeing Brent oil looks interesting. Going back to DAX. Gold. Yeah, gold will move in our favor soon. It will, I'm sure during the American opening, it will make a huge gap, a huge movement, and we will get some profit. I will put some take profit limits over here. My take profit will be 1,254. This is what I put for this position, and if I hit here a take profit, I'm aiming around $3,000 of profit, guys. I'm aiming here a profit of $3,000 of 2 positions, and it will be great. It will be great. Right now, it's getting better. Gold is started to move in our direction. As I said, as I told you guys, George, I was talking with you on chat. I was waiting for the search confirmation to go long, and I got the third confirmation, and I put buy stop order, and my price was reached, and my second position on gold opened. And now if both positions close with the take profit, which I said right now, we will make a profit of $3,000, guys. $3,000. This is my aim. Hopefully it will, but if not, I might adjust also my target prices. It's I never hesitate to modify my target prices, because sometimes it's really needed to do so. That's good, guys. That's good. So let me see what is here going on. On Dow Jones. Dow Jones has right now a bit of a short momentum. Oh, I see that Kyriakos has a small update. I will pass to Kyriakos and then I will be back, guys.
So guys, basically what I have done is I have cancelled my sell stop order on dollar yen since I already have one position. As we can see, the afternoon session for the moment was really great. We have managed to break even our losses from the morning. If you remember here, it was saying minus $2,000. Elif, you have an update?
Yes, something is happening. Check USA 30.
It's going up or down?
Down. Gold going up. Guys, look at gold. Look at gold. It's going crazy. The market is going crazy. I don't know what happened.
Share your screen, Elif.
There we go, guys. Look at this. Look at this. How gold is moving. How look at this. Wonderful. What about the USA 100? Who wanted to go long? We had a very volatile moment, and I don't know why. Let's open another sell position here. I just opened another sell position on Dow Jones, and it is already in profit. There we go, steady and stable, moving in our favor. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So I will aim here. Let me see. I will aim here on USA 30. A profit of 24,000.
Great volatility on the yen pairs. Something happened with Japan, I think.
Something is really interesting right now. 24,693 is my aim on this position. Let me see if we will reach it. Hopefully we will do. Great, great, great. Nasdaq, let's see Nasdaq. So George, thanks God you didn't enter long on Nasdaq. Imagine if you would have entered long with this big movement. I'm sure you would have hit stop loss until now. So we had a good reaction on that. We had a good reaction on that. So we have right now two major positions which we have to follow very, very closely. It's our Dow Jones position and our gold position. Right now I'm looking at gold and I'm making right now $600 on my gold position, and my second position, which I had opened in the early morning hours, is giving me also a profit. Is the loss on the first position is getting minimized, so we are going very well right now. And here I will put my DAX. I'm long on DAX. DAX is dropping, but I'm not worried about it. The earning release period is coming now with the opening of New York Stock Exchange. It will make a movement. Let's see what was the reason for this great move. Great move. So it's interesting. We are long on gold. We are short on USA 30. So interesting. Look at this movement, guys. Look at this great movement. As I said before as well, I do not hesitate to modify take profits and stop losses. So if I see that my position is struggling on a certain point, I might modify my target prices, guys. But I'm okay. We are good. So, George, what about you? What's your status right now? And George, as I told you also before on chat, don't miss to put take profits and stop losses. Don't miss that. I'm all the time on top of the charts, and I can react accordingly. So I'm very positive about my gold position. So Kyriakos has some updates. Kyriakos, please feel free.
I was just saying that gold is looking very strong, has a very strong upside momentum for the moment. The only thing that we need to do is be patient, have patience, guys, and looking on our trades on the Forex pairs, we have left only with one position on dollar cut. We have one position pound dollar long is doing well for the moment. We have also two positions long Aussie dollar. They didn't give us the chance to close one position, so we have entered two positions long Aussie dollar. Dollar yen, this is what I was telling you before. The yen pairs have indicated a lot of volatility. Dollar yen has declined, almost reached our take profit, but then it is hovered to the upside. We will see what will happen. Dollar CHF, George, we have liquidated both of our trades, all 6 lots, and we have made good money. I think you were short as well with us. Good for you and good for our team. Euro yen, we didn't have the opportunity to enter long positions. We had the opportunity to enter long positions on euro and dollar, but I didn't see it on time, guys. So currently we are left only with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions, 6 lots long Aussie dollar, 3 lots short dollar cat, 3 lots short dollar yen, and 3 lots long pound dollar. The afternoon session is treating us very well for the moment. We have fully recovered our losses almost from the morning, and as you can see, we are now just $36 losing, while in the morning we were around $2,000, and we still have these positions pending to be developed. Now, regarding the news, don't forget that at 5 o'clock, that's in approximately 1 hour from now, there will be a huge party on the Canadian dollar currency pairs. A lot of volatility is expected, and when I say a lot of volatility, I mean a lot of volatility. Please make sure you have at least your stop loss orders in place, because if you try to close them manually, most probably you will not get the price that you have asked for because of the volatility that will be caused. We're expecting a 25 basis points increase on interest rates by the Bank of Canada, Central Bank of Canada. They are expected to increase their interest rate to 1.5%. Current interest rates, it's 1.25%. And also we will have the Bank of Canada rate statement. 30 minutes later at 5:30, we will have the crude oil inventories change. They are expecting a decrease in the oil stocks. This means increased supply in the market, and this will probably cause a fall in the oil price. Fundamentally talking about, of course, the expert about that is Elif to tell us what type of positions we will take. That's all we have for the moment, guys. We are patiently waiting for our trades to develop, and if we have any further updates, we will update you. George, have you closed your dollar CHF trade, or you are still holding it? Because it has reached the lower Bollinger Band, and this technically shows a good support level for dollar CHF. Have you closed it, or you are still? Excellent, excellent, good stuff. It's nice to see our students eventually getting the feeling of entry and exit levels. Good for you, George. Well done, man, well done. So that's all I have for the moment. You are very welcome. Do we have any other students in the trading room that have taken some positions and they would like to discuss them with us? Thank you very much, Josh. So anyone else that would like to discuss any trade, any positions he has taken, any money he has made? George made $200 on dollar CHF trade. Beautiful trade, very beautiful trade. Good job. The one at both of us are supporting Croatia, right, Elif?
Yes.
Actually, it's the first time that me and Elif agrees on a team for the whole World Cup, and tonight we both support Croatia. Okay, so make sure it's 99.99% that Croatia will win. Yes, of course, go Croatia. All right, and here comes Patrick throwing us an England word. No, Patrick, this is Croatia trading room today. No, I'm just kidding. So, Patrick, any positions you have taken, my friend? Any money you have made today? If you want to share your trades and your money you have made with us here in the live trading room of Trademy. So, just a quick reminder that you can upgrade your existing training packages, or you can contact our educational support team. We have great training programs with funded accounts, guys. Live funded accounts. It's an excellent opportunity for anyone who wants to have and develop a professional trading career. We have funded accounts, you have the team to support you, and also you have the mentors to improve you. So you have all three aspects anyone needs to become a professional and profitable Forex trader or CFDs trader or any type of trader, guys. Trademy.com, all of our training programs include funded accounts as well, because we believe on what we teach. We don't teach just theory, and when we give funded live training accounts, it means that we invest in our students, guys. We invest on the people who trust us to start a professional trading career. Good, Patrick. You have made $1,400 long position on dollar CHF, so I suppose you have taken it long in the morning. We have taken it short in the afternoon, so it's a win-win situation. Nobody has a complaint about that, and that's really great. And I'm very happy to hear that our students are making money out of their trades. Italy is minus $1,000. I think is your stop loss, right? So why don't you just give it away and forget about it, Patrick? That's if you say that your stop loss, excellent. This, Patrick, shows great trading discipline, because a lot of people are saying $1,000 is my stop loss, but they leave their trades losing them 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. That's not the way to make money. I want you to be a killer. You say 1,000, cut it in 1,000. It's not this trade, it's the next one. Enjoy what you are doing and not burn your account, guys. All right. I started to talk too much, and Elif is looking at me with in a strange way. That's an unusually long speech from me. So, okay, guys, that's all I have for now. Elif, you want to start your speech for presidential elections?
Hello, guys. So, Kyriakos is um, is asking basically if I ever stop talking. He's really wondering if I stop talking while I'm sleeping. Yes, I do stop talking from time to time, and yes, he's totally right. You have to be a killer. Yes, if you say my stop loss is at $1,000, you have to do it at $1,000. Otherwise, it's gone. Well, Italy 40, my stop loss got triggered already some times ago. Guys, although my direction was correct, I was short, but we had this sharp movement ups, going up, and it hit my take profit, and then it started to drop. So, well, it happened today, and we are looking forward to the next possibility. So I don't cry Italy 40 behind Italy 40. So now coming back to my USA 30 position, we have another 19 minutes to go for New York Stock Exchange to open, and I'm expecting there a quite nice volatility and movement, and I believe that it will be quite interesting for us to trade there. As you see, USA 100 makes a very nice movement downwards, and I will keep USA 100. You see this wonderful downtrend. We are short on USA 300. Oh, this is USA 100. Oh God, what I'm looking at, guys. So, but here also a wonderful, nice downtrend. You see it here, and we are short. Okay, we are waiting for some news. Oil inventories today. In Let me see, in around 1.5 hours, we are waiting for the oil inventories. During the oil inventories, we will have some movement, hopefully, and we might be able to trade this. Gold started to move in our favor. I like it. As you guys know, I was short on gold, then I went long, and we were hedged. I broke my hedge and made a profit of $1,100, and now I increased also my exposure, and now I'm with 20 lots long on gold, and we are making some money over there. We will leave it run, and we will make further profits here. It's nice, and we see. So let's see with Brent oil and oil. Oil alert. Oil is very stable, not a big move today throughout the day. I guess also oil is he expecting a movement of the oil inventories? Brent oil. We had a nice trade on Brent oil, and we closed it with $500 profit. Was a nice one. And now I'm expecting also during the oil inventories to enter and get also some profits from there during the inventories, guys. This is what I will do. Let's have a look also on gold. Where is my gold? There we go with gold. This is a very nice movement up, as you see. And also our indicators, they show a very, very strong up movement. And as you know, also Kyriakos confirmed this expectation, and I'm quite positive about it. So we have another 15 minutes to go for our next big movements on the market, the American opening. I see that Kyriakos again wants to update us. Here we go, Kyriakos. Update us about your trades, and in less than 15 minutes I will be back.
All right, guys, basically what I did, because I was going with 2 positions on Aussie dollar, I have closed one position with $33 profit, and now we are just $3. I'm not showing my screen. Okay, let me show my screen. So basically what I did, I have given up the second position on Aussie dollar, $33 profit, and now we are just $3 minus from the 2000 we have been in the morning. So I'm left on with only one position on Aussie dollar and not 2 positions of 3 lots each. So we are left now with only 4 positions for this afternoon session. Let's go around to see how they are doing. Dollar CAD is a bit lower than the price we have shorted it, and our take profit is here at $570, guys. Pound dollar, we have entered long position here. Now is a crucial level for pound dollar. We definitely want it to continue and go up and reach our take profit level. Aussie dollar has formed a nice base here and has penetrated. We see a failure swing here, and we are aiming to get the price close to today's highs, because as you can see, Aussie dollar opened lower and was falling the whole day. Now this movement encouraged long positions, and that's why we have entered long, together with a double bottom failure swing reversal pattern. This is A, this is B, this is C. Those of you who have our training programs, they know definitely what I'm talking about. That's an ABC on the 15-minute chart, double bottom failure swing, bullish reversal formation. And that's why we have traded it, and we are aiming for this level and $730. Now our dollar yen trade has declined suddenly, almost triggered our take profit and has hovered above it. Now this candle shows extreme bearishness. Although it was hovered, it closed again below this topping base formation here. So I'm expecting that dollar yen will retest this level at least, and I believe that our take profit will close. Dollar CHF, dollar yen, dollar CHF, euro yen, and euro dollar, we don't have any positions on those pairs, guys. So all the action now is on dollar CAD. Interest rates are coming, and we are very excited and willing to see if our predictions will be on the correct side. I repeat that we are expecting an increase on the interest rates of the Canadian dollar by the Bank of Canada of 25 basis points. That's the first increase since the financial crisis, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. From 1.25, an increase to 1.5%. I didn't short dollar CAD because of this increase. I shorted it because I saw a failure swing top pattern here, ABC on the 15-minute chart. After an uptrend, this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, and as soon as it is breaking the B level, I went short targeting this support area here and close to the opening price of dollar CAD today. So this ABC is a failure swing top bearish reversal formation. That's why I have shorted dollar CAD and not because I'm expecting an increase on the interest rates. This will help, of course, but that's not the reason why I have shorted it. Pound dollar, again, we have observed again an ABC double bottom bullish reversal formation on the 15-minute chart, and that's why we have entered a long position targeting the higher band of the trading range since yesterday. As you can see, this is yesterday. The pound dollar is trading in a trading range. Tomorrow, I think we will have big action on the pound dollar. It cannot stay in this trading range forever, guys. So that's a crucial lever now for pound dollar. After a long fall, it tests the upper band. Usually it retraces to the moving averages and then continue it to go up. I'm monitoring it closely, and it's the trade that is worrying me the most for the moment. Aussie dollar, the fact that it's consolidating nicely above the break point of the double bottom bullish reversal formation is very encouraging. So I believe on Aussie dollar, and I believe that it will make eventually the break above this level, and why not hit our take profit. And our dollar yen trade, as I said, this candle for me is very bearish because it didn't manage to close positive. It has closed below it, but we will see what happens in the next few minutes. So 4 positions: long 3 lots Aussie dollar, short 3 lots dollar yen, short 3 lots dollar CAD, and long 3 lots on pound dollar. Remind you once again, interest rate decision out at 2 o'clock UTC time. That's in approximately 40 something minutes from now. We are waiting for this announcement, and we will see how we go and update you accordingly. Biggest winner is pound dollar, and currently we don't have any losing positions opened. That's all I have for the moment. Guys, do you want to discuss any trades you have placed regarding the Forex pairs? Any patterns that you believe you see? Our students are free to ask in the chat room, and we will be more than happy to assist you on your making correct trading decisions, on identifying price patterns, on using oscillators. You can ask us any questions you have in the chat room. Also, don't forget to visit our website and contact our educational support team at trademy.com. If you would like to have a one-to-one session, either with me or with Eliv, talk with your account manager at Trademy, and we'll be more than glad to arrange a one-to-one session with you. I want to repeat what I said in the morning. The LTRs, the live trading rooms, have nothing to do with the one-to-one sessions. The one-to-one sessions are more on a private basis, are more on a personal basis. They are adding much value to the students, answering questions, looking live the theoretical aspects of technical analysis. On the LTR, we are making short-term trading. It has nothing to do with the one-to-one sessions. Excellent, Alan. Good for you. 500 on dollar CHF. We have given out our positions on dollar CHF with a profit. Good to see that Alan is making money. $500 on dollar CHF. Good job, Alan. Good. Have you exited your position, or you are still in the position, Alan? And dollar CAD. Okay, we are still. Okay, your target is $900. We are still we are still in the trade for dollar CAD. However, we have an interest rate decision that will cause volatility. I believe that the stop loss there is safe. I'm not moving the stop loss, and I believe that our target will be hit. So it's up to you, Alan. It's up to you, Alan. I mean, I haven't placed the trade because of the news. I have explained a few minutes ago, Alan, that I have placed this trade because I saw a failure swing top bearish reversal pattern. You are in a training program that talks about failure swings, and after an uptrend, you see that this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C top. With the break of the B, it means that the uptrend is over and guys, we are going down. So the reason I have traded dollar CAD is not because of the interest rate decision expectations of an increase of 25 basis points, is because I have seen a failure swing top bearish reversal pattern. You know what I'm talking about, right, Alan? In your training program, this is included, and it is clearly explained also with examples. So it's up to you to decide whether or not you will close your positions, and I would like to remind you that, okay, keep it, we are keeping it as well. So I want to remind you as well that you can follow us on any trade. If you feel uncomfortable with any trade, just take it and that's it, just close it. If you see here a positive balance on our trades, it means that if you follow us right now, you will get a worse price than what we did. If you see a negative balance, it means that you will get a better price on what we did. So that's all we have for the moment. I don't have anything else to add. I don't know, Elif, you have any updates for us? Okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif, and if I have any updates, I will let you know straight away.
Oh, guys, hello and welcome back. Basically, yes, I'm looking now. Our American opening is coming close. Hello, Ellen. Welcome. Huh? Tea. Oh, it's okay. The American opening is coming very close. We are waiting for the American opening. As I told you guys, the earning release period is approaching, and every day we have some earning releases. Today there are no major releases, but still they might affect the indices. There are no major ones, but still some volatility is expected. And I believe also this volatility we can observe on gold. And that's why I'm looking forward in the next 2.5 minutes for our opening. Yes, I'm checking everything is good. So I see Ellen has a small question. We expect a weak American market? Should we expect a weak American market because of China? Yes, this is something which I explained this morning, Ellen. Basically, this morning all the European indices opened with a big gap of around 1% drop, and the reason is China and America. They the first car producers, they started already to increase their prices because of the upcoming I don't get the word, upcoming tolls, and that's why we can expect a weaker market, but we will see how it will react. We have another 1 minute to go, not even 1 minute. As you know, it's not extremely volatile as it's not always extremely volatile, but still it's good to have a possibility to check it out. I see already some movement. Let me see. There we go. The market, I think, will open now every minute. I see already some tension on gold. Ellen is asking me, Elif, when you expect a gap, do you swing the night before the market's session ends? Well, I don't do it I used to do it in the past, but basically it's kind of gambling for me, because you expect a gap, but you don't know what will happen. You know, it could be going up, it could go down. You don't know, you just speculate. And we don't speculate, we trade. Yeah, we just open. The American market just open. We see a movement on USA 30. Let me see how Nasdaq is reacting. Nasdaq. Not a big. The market seemed to go up. Let me see, 20. Other guys, I'm going long on Nasdaq as well. I just went long on Nasdaq. There we go, and we make already a small profit, not much, a small profit of $30. Gold started to move again in our favor. Let's see how. Okay, we are making right now $80 on USA 100. Market is quite volatile, guys. Gold started to move in our favor. So I will close my USA 100 position with a profit, with a small profit, not a big one, with a small profit, because this kind of sharp movements during opening, they don't hold very long. So just get the maximum profit you can get and exit the market. This is in this kind of fundamental oriented, and this fundamental oriented trading pattern, you just get the maximum out. And we just closed our USA 100 position with a profit of 120 euros. Is good, because as I said, in this fundamental oriented news, you don't expect you don't keep the position for very long. You just scout the market, and that's good, that's enough. So I see Ellen was asking about a long-term trading analysis, and Kyriakos answered him the question. And he is Kyriakos is very proud of Ellen, that his take profit is very close to get triggered. So we are looking now to our gold position. I see Kyriakos wants to update you guys. Here we go.
Okay, guys, we are approaching to hit some take profits in this afternoon session as well. Additional take profits. So let me show my screen. Currently, out of 4 trades, we have 3 winning positions and 1 losing. And the 2 trades that are approaching their target slowly is pound dollar and dollar cat. So that's why I have requested permission to share my screen. Dollar yen trade, it doesn't look good. However, we keep as it is our position. Excellent. You have locked $500 profit on dollar CHF. Okay, Alan, and you leave your take profit open, right? Great strategy. I like it. These are our students of Trademy. Okay, guys, pound dollar. We are approaching the take profit level. Excellent strategy, Alan. It seems that the one-to-one sessions with Elif have finally paid off. She's a great instructor. Yes, she's very good on that. No, now we are seeing the pound-dollar trade. Okay, you are the Luka Modric of dollar CHF. Satisfied, Alan? Okay, Alan is the Modric of dollar CHF. Okay, nice to hear that. Okay, we are looking at pound dollar. It's approaching our take profit level. Guys, it has broken above. It has tested the upper Bollinger Band, recovered to the moving average as I expected, as now it has broken above the upper Bollinger Band. Pound dollar now has a very strong bullish momentum. We want this momentum to keep on going and eventually hit our take profit of $750. So PPI did not push me to profits. Patrick, we are not waiting for the news to push us in profits. We have our techniques, the failure swings, technical analysis that they can push you to profits, Patrick, not PPI. So, the reason I have you locked $135 on dollar cut. Excellent. Our dollar cut position is also doing well. Slowly approaching our take profit as well. Currently, out of these 4 positions, we are a bit above $700. The only losing trade we have is dollar yen and is not looking good. Our last hope is this Bollinger Band here. Let's see if it makes new highs higher than the previous day. Well done. Let them hit our stop loss. Now, okay, we see some green colors there popping up. We are short, Patrick. I have shorted dollar yen. It's up to you to decide what to do, guys, okay? So we are short dollar yen. We have shorted it. It has almost reached our take profit, hovered above, and is still running. So as you can see, the green light of pound dollar has just went on, and we want to see more green lights in this afternoon session. We already closed some positions. We fully recovered our $2,000 losses since the morning. We are just down $3. An amazing performance in the afternoon. I got very relieved because the morning was a hell for me in the forex trading desk. We lost $2,000. So I'm not touching CAD yen, guys, and I will tell you why, Patrick. As you know from the first I'm trying to do my best, Alan. Thank you for the nice words. So I will tell you why I'm not trading other pairs, guys, and I'm only trading the majors, because as you know, as from the 1st of August, the leverage will change, and all the majors will have 30 times leverage. So this automatically restricts my leverage potential, and I will only trade majors from now on, and I will only trade these 7 pairs. Okay, so that's only 30 times. Currently, we have 100 times leverage here at TradeFW. It's changing for everybody. Anyone who has an account with a European broker, as from the 2nd of August, you will have 30 times leverage on all FX majors, maximum. So if you have any trading positions on the 1st of August, take care. CFDs, I think a leaf is 20 times. 20 times leverage for major indices. For example, Italy 40 is not a major index. Pardon? Okay, we don't know it yet. We will decide. We will decide. We will find out which indices are perceived to be majors, and we will update you accordingly. So if you have open positions 31st of July and 1st of August, take care, guys, because you might get some margin call stop outs if you have, or if you are overexposed. Okay, so take care of this. So that's why I'm trading only these 7 pairs, so I get used to it. A stop out, Patrick, is when you are here. We have margin required and free margin. As soon as your margin requirement, as soon as this percentage falls below 100%, you will get a margin call. If it falls to 50%, you get a stop out. A stop out means that the broker, due to insufficient money in your account and due to your losing positions, starts to close all your positions in order to protect your account balance. That's a stop out, closing all the open positions you have in the market. So let's go around, guys. Dollar CAD is rebounding a bit. Pound dollar is declining a bit. Aussie dollar is declining, but is still above our failure swing breakout point. I expect this decline, and most probably we will test this moving average here and then continue to go up. Dollar yen has now exceeded our entry level price. We are a bit unlucky on dollar yen. This drop hasn't triggered our take profit. And that's all we have for the moment, guys. Is it clear what is a stop out, Patrick? Have I answered your question? Excellent. Thank you very much for asking. So, just 20 minutes away from the interest rate decision. I don't want dollar CAD to approach our stop loss too close because the volatility will be great and maybe it goes up, hits our stop loss and then falls down. So I definitely don't want the price of dollar CAD to come close to our stop loss during the announcement of the interest rates. And 50 minutes from inventories, of course. We should not forget crude oil inventories. All right. That's all for the moment, guys. We just sit down now and wait for the interest rates to be announced. A full day today, a complete cycle of emotions between the morning and the afternoon session. As I have repeatedly said, you should not lose your temper, you should not lose your patience and your discipline. Trust your system, trust technical analysis, trust your mentors, trust Trademy, and you will only benefit out of that, guys. Alan, what did you say? But never trust a woman and leave? No. Okay. So, never trust Italy. Okay, Alan. What else, guys? Do you have any questions? Do you have anything that you want to discuss with us? Anything at all? Anything at all, guys? Some ching ching. We will get there, don't worry. It's a Leafs speciality, this ching ching. Not today, okay. Tomorrow. The trade war, how we can play it. Patrick is not PlayStation. Okay, it's not PlayStation. We are not playing here. We are trading, but I like the way you have phrased it. I don't know how to play the trade war. I mean, who knows? I mean, whatever the indicators are showing us every day, we just follow what we see. Now, what the impact of the trade war, I hear trade war here, trade war there, and the markets are going up, up, and up. So I don't pay attention to these things, guys. I mean, I only trade what my charts are showing to me. That's for exactly. They are doing, because if you have been paying to the news, the last 6 months, the guys don't know what to tell us. And they are just trying to find news to have something to say to the people. I mean, and they like to sell panic. I mean, something that is interesting, that might panic the people. Because imagine if you see a movie and from the beginning of the movie, la 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 la, and we end. And then you have another movie, killings, fire, bombs. Which movie will sell best? Of course, the second one. That's why that's why they are selling some news alerting and Boris Johnson has quitted and whatever, and oh my God, may we stay there, may we go. They like to sell some panic because it attracts the interest of the people. Now they are selling trade war. They are selling the word tariffs. I mean, if you search on Twitter, every 20 words, 19 words are talking about trade war and panic. And Alan is asking us, no, Cristiano has actually moved to Juventus, and actually he got very upset with Real because they have only sold him for 100 million euros, and he's he's a very cheap player for him, 100 million euros, and he's upset with Real, let's say. So he's going for he has joined Juventus. He's 33 years old, but he has won everything. I mean, 100 million euros is a bit too little for Ronaldo. Go Juve. All right, guys. So, any questions you have, Patrick? Any other PlayStation questions you'd like to ask us? Any other trades you have taken? Yes, please. We are all ears here. So what type of questions you would like to ask me regarding any FX pair you have traded? How are the shares of PlayStation doing? Elif, do you have an idea what PlayStation is? Ah, you mean PlayStation. Okay, you wrote PlayStation. Is Nintendo, right, Elif? PlayStation is Sony. Ah, Sony is Sony. Unfortunately, we don't have the shares on our platform. I don't know, guys. So, just a quick reminder of our social media because we forget them today. You can follow us on Twitter just to see what our trades are doing, and we always update our Twitter account. You can, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to check our lovely videos and review anything that you haven't understand. You can download the videos and review them at your own time. And of course, you can like us on our Facebook page at trademy.trading Facebook, this is our Facebook page. Don't forget that we have a great social media presence. Alan, I think today was one of my best trading days. I mean, I have recovered a loss of $2,000. For me, today, it was one of my best trading days so far. Here at Trademy, at least. So it's not an easy thing, believe me, in Forex to recover from a $2,000 loss. No $1 million day. Yes, we had some days like this trading millions of dollars, but it was back in 2007. Back into not millions profits, but hundreds of thousands profits. Yes, not millions, guys. We need to be realistic. In 2007, 2008, when I was in Dubai Capital Group. So, yes. These are the current positions we have for the moment. Guys, we are just waiting now for the interest rates. I mean, we have discussed about football, we have discussed about PlayStation, we have discussed about whatever you want. Okay, guys, Alan, what do you usually have what do you usually eat when you are watching football? What type of food do you like eating while watching Croatia tonight, for example? Makeup video. You love steak, okay? What type of steak? Diana steak. What type of steak? Pepper steak? Okay, guys, I like souvlaki. You know souvlaki, right, Patrick and Alan? Does anyone doesn't know souvlaki? You don't know souvlaki, Patrick? You have never been to Greece or Cyprus? Never, never in your life? Oh, that's a pity. You should. You should. Greek and Cypriot cuisine are one of the best you can have in the world. That's at least my opinion. Falafel. Okay, guys, I'm a bit hungry now, but we are also hungry for money, so let's go around and check our trades as well.
Kyriakos, it's time for your protein bar.
Yes, okay.
Your wife is
I'm
complaining.
transferring you now to a lift to have my protein bar because I'm very hungry. I'm going to have it and come back. Thank you.
Yes, guys, Kyriakos is on diet for all of you who don't know, and his wife is sending me every day messages to remind him to eat his protein bar. So, well, on the indices, it's going a bit slow. The market is moving a bit against us, and then it's recovering. Not a real nice move to clear out and close the positions and move. It's it doesn't hit our stop loss, it doesn't hit our take profit, so I'm right now a bit in the middle of nothing. We have closed until now a profit of around $2,200, which is a quite good profit for the morning session. In the afternoon, unfortunately, we didn't had still a ching-ching moment, just a small ching-ching on USA 100, except of this, nothing big. I'm still waiting. Yes, I closed it, Ellen. I closed it because I told you it was like after big movements, it starts to slow down a bit, and I just got it in the peak with a profit of $1,500, $150, and it was okay with me for a trade of 1 minute. Why not? Right? Get it in. Get it in. That's what we want. Except of this, it's not really moving. It's not hitting my take profit. It's not hitting my stop loss. I'm in between. It's moving up and down, but not really these real nice ching-ching moments. You know, we get small profits here and there, but not these satisfying ching-ching moments. However, I hope during the inventories, I will have one of these moments. Let me see how much we have to go for the inventories. Is not much. In 7 minutes, Bank of Canada will make an announcement. Kyriakos mentioned it today several times. It's about the interest rates. Unfortunately, we don't have any Canadian indice. I see that Kyriakos wants to share with you his protein bar.
Okay, guys. Let me share my screen as well. Dollar CAD is moving in our direction, approaching our take profit. Sorry for eating the protein bar talking to you, but it's time to eat my protein bar. So we are watching now the dollar CAD rate. Anytime now, the interest rate decision will come out. Another 6 minutes, yes. So remember that we are monitoring all the news from forexlive.com. Okay, guys, the dollar CAD rate can close at any moment. Volatility is expected, either with a stop loss or with a take profit. I mean, don't be surprised to hit a stop loss on that trade as well. However, we will keep it. It's $571. Currently, is our second best performing trade. And we will see what happens in, maybe it closes now before the news. It's a very dangerous thing to do now, Alan. I mean, if I move now stop losses, it's like telling to the market, come and get my stop loss. I mean, is too close to the current market price. If the market price was here and my take profit was a bit lower, let me show you. If my take profit was here and the price was here and I have entered it here, then yes, I can lock some profits. But to put now my stop loss here and lock some profits is like saying to the market, come and hit my stop loss. Okay, it's not emotional at all. I mean, it depends where you have shorted it and where the price is and when the news account and when the news announcement is made. I mean, if I have shorted it here and I lock profits, due to the volatility of the market, it will most probably 99% hit my stop loss / take profit order. So I keep it as it is, and I think that it can be either way around, guys. I mean, fundamentally and technically shows down, but we will see some volatility. That's why I'm keeping my distance with the stop loss. All right. So any minute now, you will see and experience volatility in the markets, and let us switch to the 5-minute chart in order to enjoy this volatility better. So this is the 5-minute chart of dollar CAD. It is a bearish trend, and we saw a failure swing top. As you can see, this is the uptrend, A, B, C, and that's why we have shorted it here. It's a failure swing top bearish reversal pattern. So we are watching now on dollar CAD. Volatility is expected, definitely. Just 3 minutes away from the interest rate decision. I repeat that an increase on interest rate is expected of 25 basis points, and maybe the market reacts to the opposite direction. You don't know that. Technically, we believe that it will fall. Let's see. We will see some crazy things now on the market. And we have placed the 5-minute chart. Shall I place the 1-minute chart to see better the volatility? I believe 5 minutes is, you want 1-minute chart. Okay guys, whatever you want. This is the 1-minute chart. Let me zoom out a bit, just to have on sight our stop loss and take profits. So get ready guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right. Get ready. Here we go. Okay, some volatility has already started to show. Our target is at 131.18. $571. $342 is our risk. $571 is our reward for this trade. All right, very excited to see the outcome of this trade. Started to go up a bit now. Just 1 minute away from the announcement. Look at the size of the candles, guys. Look how small they are, and then have a look in 1 minute what will happen. This is one of the spectacular things at Forex trading. During expectation of big announcements like interest rate decisions, you get the beauty out of it. I mean, it's really exciting. It's gonna be like Fear Factor, yes. Okay, guys, here we go. Okay. Interest rate announcement is getting there. Let's see if the news are confirmed, if the forecasts are confirmed and we see an interest rate increase. So let me see. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, okay, crazy, crazy things. Roller coaster, and we hit our take profit, guys. You see what happened? Our take profit was just triggered. Our take profit was just triggered. There it is. And we add another $571 in our pocket, guys. Excellent, Allen, and it's falling. Guys, don't close your positions now. It will continue to fall. At least this is what the analysis is showing, but we are happy, and they have increased the interest rates. I think this drop will continue. Pound dollar, we are ready to hit take profit also on pound dollar, just 10 pips away from our take profit. No, guys, don't open new trades, don't trade the news. We are not trading the news. So our pound dollar trade is also doing well. Maybe it loses 100 pips this trade, but I'm happy with the risk reward we get. I hope we get from every trade 25 pips. It's great, guys. So pound dollar is just 10 pips away from our take profit, and is trying to get there slowly, slowly. Okay, we got a nice trade on dollar CAD. Okay, it should do well, Patrick, right? It should do well. It's going up right now. Okay, good for you, good for you. So look at the fall of dollar CAD. Part of this fall was we were in it, so we are happy about that. Now we have the pound dollar trade. We have the pound dollar trade approaching our take profit level. Aussie dollar stuck there. We will see. Dollar yen is stacked. For long, tomorrow, Allen. We will check it tomorrow. My philosophy, Allen, if a pair gave you a profit, just forget about it. Tomorrow is a new day. Okay? Tomorrow, no, not now. Okay? Just forget about it. I mean, it's not a wise thing to insist on a pair. And I'm not shorting again dollar CAD, although I know it will drop 100 pips. I got my 25 pips. I'm happy. Let other people make money as well. I mean, pardon? Give it to the market. Exactly, exactly. So guys, good news. We have turned positive now. $568. We were losing $2,000 in the morning. So we have turned positive eventually. And we still have some more money to make, guys. We still have 3 positions. We will check them and we will decide accordingly. Shall I close everything and get our $1,000, guys? What do you think? Because we are approaching the end of our trading session. Okay, I'm closing everything. Good job for the day. Okay, guys, we turned our account from minus 2,000 to plus $1,136. That's a profit of more than $3,000 in the afternoon session. Thank you very much for watching the Forex Trading Desk today, guys. I'm done for the day. Very satisfied, and I'm glad that many of you have done it. We have turned a 2,000 loss to a $1,136 profit. So I'm transferring you now to Elif. Thank you.
Hey guys, Kyriakos, a wonderful, amazing day. This is how I like to have a live trading session. And all the trades, we were live here online, and you can watch the video later on YouTube to see where we enter, where we exit, and how we do. Also here with me, it's going quite good. my gold positions, which is my main focus for the day. They are developing quite good, and as I see, the range will break. It looks like a strong breakout from the range, and my take profit should hit in a short towards the evening hours. It should hit, and if it hits, we are expecting here a profit of around $3,000 from 2 trades, plus the other hedge trade which we had from this of $1,000. So we would make $4,000 on gold today, which is a great opportunity. We have a USA 30 position. We are short on it. Well, over there I don't have a huge expectation. The news, they played us a small game. Well, I will see how I will close here my positions, but in general it's a nice afternoon trading environment. Shortly we will have the oil inventories, and I might trade also during the oil inventories. No, not I might. I will trade during the oil inventories. Come on, I'm waiting the whole day for the oil inventories, and it seems that they will be quite interesting today, since OPEC was discussing the other day about some reductions, some production reductions, so to control a bit the price, because currently oil is traded at $73 per barrel, and if you check the chart of oil, let's have a look together. Last time that it was traded at this level was there we go. When was it? It was yeah, it was November 2014, last time that it was traded at this level. November 2014. It's yeah, almost 4 years ago that oil was in that price range as it is right now. It's a very long time, so oil is in a very strong uptrend currently, in case that OPEC will not press the price down. So Patrick is telling me that he's losing strong from oil. Are you long or short on oil, Patrick? 3K. Well, Patrick, I'm sorry to say that, but I remember a tweet from you saying you can't get Ferrari if you don't risk, right? No, this is I feel like the mummies who are telling, I told you not to do, I told you. No, basically, Patrick, the danger with oil today before the inventories, I mean, you remember we made money today on Brent oil, and Mary was asking me why I trade Brent oil and not oil as well. And the simple reason behind is that oil inventories make the market to be very unsecure. You don't know how the market develops before the oil inventories. So that's why I'm right now not trading oil, and I tried not to recommend you to trade oil. But it's your account, it's your decision. I can't force you not to do something. If you feel like that you want to do it, yes, do it, but I can tell to you guys thousands of stuff. You might not listen, but if you make once the mistake and lose money and get the pain, you will understand and not do the same again. So That's why let's see how oil will develop. You are short. Maybe they will increase the output of oil. So when they increase the output, the price is most probably going down, and maybe you will make some money over there. Who knows? Who knows? What I'm talking about shit. Maybe they will increase the output of oil, and when they increase the output of oil, the price will drop. And when the price drops, you will make some money, hopefully. Let's see on gold. On gold, we are hedged, guys. I don't know how often I told today about gold. We were hedged. We closed our hedged position on the edge, and then we opened a second buy position, and now we are long with two buy positions on gold. And I'm expecting now that the pullback ended. As you see, we have an uptrend, and then we have a short pullback, and then it will go with a strong power upwards. This is what I'm expecting, and it will climb upwards, and then we will make hopefully money by the end of the day. I'm expecting a profit of $3,000 here, and hopefully it will get there and we will make some money. USA 30 started to move a bit more in my direction. I don't expect here a big profit, to be honest. I really don't expect here a big profit. For today, I will see, maybe I will close my position with a small loss and accept the movement. I will stay on it a bit more, and then we see. I see that according to my indicators, they still show a downtrend, a small downtrend. That's why I will keep it, but I will not expect a huge profit out of it. I will not expect a huge profit. I will leave it there and be happy with it until I get a position. So today is Wednesday, guys. You know, if you leave any positions open tonight, we will get charged triple the swaps. Just have it in mind not to be surprised tomorrow morning if you have a high amount of swap charges on your account in case that you leave any position open. And we are already very close to the oil inventories. I'm thinking about to keep online until the oil inventories to trade with you guys. The oil inventories, what you think, guys? Shall we? Yes, I will stay online, guys, to trade with you oil. Although my exposure is quite high, my margin is quite high, and my margin level is currently at 700%, which is still enough. But let me see how it will go, and maybe I might trade oil with you live here online. We have another 16 minutes to go for the oil inventories, and hopefully we will see what will happen. I see. Yes, guys, I think I will stay a bit longer here with you guys and come back during the oil inventory. So Let's see how they will behave now and then during oil inventories. I will be back. I have to read now a bit about OPEC. OPEC had today a monthly report in the morning. And see, Alan is off. He had enough today. He was profiting, and he doesn't want to trade anymore on oil today. That's also a very, very important thing while trading. Alan made some money today, and he says, okay, for today I'm off. And that's good. He's very wise to take this decision to say, hey, sometimes I have to step back a bit. I got my money, I'm satisfied, not to get greedy. And I'm really, really proud of Alan. So another 15 minutes to go. I'm going off right now, and I will come back during the inventory. So guys, hold on and let's see the inventories. So guys, 1 minute to go for the crude. Eva, let's start recording. So 1 minute to go for the oil inventories, and we are looking right now at oil, how we react, how it will react. Let's see, another minute to go, 30 seconds for the release. Let's see how it will be. So last week it was 1.2 million. Now expected are minus 4.4. Let's see what it will be and how we can get the move. If we can get the move, let's see, you never know. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Minus 12, minus 12. So minus 12 will have a positive result. So we sell, we buy now 100 lots of oil. I didn't, oh, there we go. I just opened my oil position and making some money. Let's see, the market is crazy, as you can see. I just want to scalp and get a bit of money and close it. I'm not aiming for much here. I'm just seeing, I just want a scalp. I just want to scalp the position. There we go. Wonderful. We entered a bit too late, guys. Whoa. This is a huge movement. This is a huge movement. Let me see, within 1 minute, it went up $1. It jumped up $1. We were a bit too late to enter until we put it. We were a bit late. Let me see. However, we see how it will develop. I believe that the market will go up. We see how the market will up. This is the movement of the news, guys. The news were very extreme. The result was very extreme, and we see it right now how the market moves with the oil price. And you see the candle. It's interesting. We will follow the market and we react accordingly here on the market, and we see how it will continue. So guys, for today, thank you for listening, and we talk to you guys tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock UTC time. It was a very nice, interesting day. We still have certain positions open, and hopefully we will close them in profit and make some money today. So guys, see you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.